Problem number 60 says, if the graph of a rational function r, so I just wrote it as numerator over denominator, has a horizontal asymptote y equals 2, horizontal asymptote y equals 2, then the degree of the numerator equals the degree of the denominator. So, and then you're supposed to explain why. Probably the easiest way would be to say, well, either the degree in the numerator is greater than the degree in the denominator, or the degree in the denominator is greater than the degree in the numerator, or they're the same. So if they're the same, so if we have the degree in the numerator, same size bubble, we talked about the bubble theorem, same size, same degree top and bottom, then we have a horizontal asymptote. Well, if the denominator has a greater degree, then therefore the horizontal asymptote would be y equals 0. That's a proper rational function. It's always y equals 0. So since that's not y equals 0, you can't have the degree in the denominator bigger. If the degree in the numerator is bigger, then we're either going to have a slant asymptote, we're going to have an x still, like if you had x squared over x, then we'd still have an x. There's no horizontal asymptote here. No horizontal asymptote. So since we have a horizontal asymptote, there's only one of three scenarios: degree on top, degree on bottom, or the degree is the same. What's left over is, yes, you have to have a degree in top and bottom have to be the same. So that's probably the easiest way, I think, to explain it. By process of elimination, the only way you have a horizontal asymptote is when top and bottom have the same degree. Now, what happens as a result of that? If you take the, let's say we have an example of, let's say, 3x to the fourth plus 2x minus 1 over 5x to the fourth plus 3x plus 6, let's say. So if we notice here our end behavior model is going to be the leading coefficient followed by the leading term, 3x to the fourth over 5x to the fourth. When x gets really, really big, the x to the fourth are going to cancel out, and you're just going to get y equals a real number, and that's our end behavior model, and y equals that real number then would be our horizontal asymptote. So kind of a long-winded explanation of why, but probably the easiest way is, like I said in the beginning, it's one of three scenarios, and so we'll leave it at that.